My goodness, I am excited. I'm so excited. It's nearly bonfire night. And thank Crunchy, it's Friday. Oh no, wait. It's on Saturday this year. Oh, well, never mind. We're gonna make honeycomb. And here's what you'll need to make it. It's now time for a little bit of origami. That's right, we're gonna make a cardouche. Pop it in there to line your tray. Okay, so it looks a little bit complicated, but it's not. It is super simple. What you do is you fold this in half, like this, and score it down the line here. There we go. And then on this line here, you just fold again, like so. Now, you take the two folded lines and fold them together to make a cheeky little comb. There we go. It looks a little bit like a paper aeroplane. I mean, you could stop there and give it to your kids. You just keep folding and folding and folding until you can't fold anymore. And then once you've got it to that point, what I want you to do is stick it in the middle, the point in the middle of your baking tray, and a couple of inches above. Put your finger there, pop it on your chopping board. Make sure you've got a nice sharp knife and chop the end off. Ta-da! As if by magic, you've got something to line your baking tray with. Perfect. It's all about being organised. Get all your stuff together, move it by the hob, and then you're ready to get cracking. Pop your sugar into the pan first, right into the middle of the pan. Then add in the wonder that is golden syrup. Now it's all about willpower. Do not stir it. Turn the hob onto a medium heat. You can give it a shake, but no stirring. Once your ingredients have turned an amber colour, it's time to move quickly. Take the pan off the heat and then quickly tip in the bicarbonate of soda. Beat all of this in with your wooden spoon until it's dissolved and the mixture is foaming, and then pour it into the tin. Be careful as you do this, as the mixture is piping hot. The honeycomb has been cooling for about an hour or until it's properly cold. But let's face it, honeycomb is not complete without chocolate. No, I am not giving myself a facial. This is a bain-marie. Boiling water into a pan, clean bowl on top. Chocolate of your choice. We've gone for a little bit of a mixture here, but whatever you fancy. Pop it in there and wait for it to melt. Now that your bonfire science experiment is almost complete, what we're going to do is we're going to take it out, it's nice and cold. Remove that paper and chop it up. Break your honeycomb up into nice bite-sized pieces ready for coating. Now it's time for the magic to happen. Take one of these bad boys, dip it into the chocolate, but just on one half of it. There we go. Oh, lovely. Now, I've decided to add a touch of Guy Fawkes' explosive twist and pop it in some popping candy. Oh, great. You can hear it's like crackling on a bonfire. Bonfire night, Firecracker Honeycomb. It's amazing! And it hits all the bases. It's scientific, it's educational, quick to make, and seriously delicious. Now all you need to do, give all your mates a call, invite them round and share and care. Or take it into a dark room and eat it yourself. Bye.